Hello, this is Wen Yao Cheng. So this is for the week 3 assignment actually. But last time I wasn't able to get the tabs to connect to the page that is supposed to take me. So I kind of just want to show you that everything is working fine now, and then I can easily do a new message, and if I want to clear it, well, if I have something here and I can clear it. And so yeah, I'm just trying to do a message, hi, and I'll display more messages, and the context works perfectly according to which one you click. It will select to. And this version is actually also for week 4, but it just got the documents working as well. So yeah, thank you for watching.